Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, chances are you're looking to upgrade your Wix website, and you want to make sure you do it right. Well, you're in the perfect place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upgrade your Wix site step by step, so you can unlock premium features, get better hosting, and really give your visitors the best experience. Let's get started. First thing, you'll need to head over to your Wix dashboard. If you're already logged in, this is usually the first screen you see after signing in. Think of your dashboard as the command center for your website. It's where you manage everything from site design to stats. If you're not sure how to find it, just go to wix.com, log in with your account, and click on your site's name. That'll take you straight in. Once you're in the dashboard, look up at the top of the page. You'll see a button labeled Upgrade. It's usually easy to spot, often highlighted so it catches your attention. Clicking Upgrade is basically telling Wix, "Hey, I'm ready to give my site a boost." This button kicks off the upgrade process and will guide you toward the available paid plans. Now, you'll see a list of different plans. Each plan comes with its own set of benefits. Some might offer more storage, others might remove Wix ads, and some could even unlock advanced e-commerce features. Spend a moment looking through these options. If you're running a personal blog, you might not need all the bells and whistles, but if you're setting up an online store or portfolio, those extra perks could be worth it. Don't rush here. Take your time to compare what each plan offers so you're making the best choice for your website's needs. After you decide which plan fits, click to select it. This is a bit like picking out a phone plan or streaming service. Choose what works for you now, and remember, you can always upgrade further down the line if your needs change. Once you've selected your plan, the page will guide you towards some additional options. For example, you might be asked if you want to pay monthly or save some money with an annual subscription. Sometimes, Wix offers extras, like a free domain or marketing tools, so keep an eye open for those and select anything that feels useful. Alright, once you've made your choices, it's time to continue to the checkout. This part is pretty straightforward. You'll be asked to confirm and review your selections before you move on to payment. Take a quick second to double-check everything, just to avoid any surprises later. Now comes the payment section. Here you'll enter your card details, just like any online purchase. Fill in your information carefully, and if you're using a business card or a personal one, make sure the details match. After entering your card info, Wix may prompt you to continue to PayPal for secure processing. If you've used PayPal before, you'll know how simple it is. If not, don't worry, Wix will walk you through it, and it only takes a minute. And that's it. Once your payment is processed, your site will be officially upgraded. All those premium features you chose will kick in, making your website faster, more professional, and ready to impress your visitors. So I hope this walkthrough made upgrading your Wix website clear and stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need help deciding on a plan, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more practical website tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.